welcome to my YouTube channel, Crypto Expert Zone. Here in this video, I'm going to show you the new update concerning this particular airdrop known as a Depin project called AZEN. AZEN HUB is known as a Depin project. Please have it in mind. And so far, as you can see, this is my point. This is what I've accumulated so far. As you can see now, click on your earning to know that if you have already completed today checking. Okay, I've done mine, and if you have not done yours, try and do it so that you can gather more points today as well. As we are looking on the TGE and the launching day, please let us go to our Twitter handle. Let us see what they tweeted of recent concerning the TGE, the day that is going to commence. Let us go to Twitter handle. This is the official Twitter handle that we are. See it here now. This is the official handle. Now, from here, let us look for the recent posts. This one, you see it now, it's a 14 hours ago. Mark your calendars. Exams. And the exams snapshot is taking place on May 6, 2025. The snapshot is taken on May 6, 2025. While Azen TG launching May 8, 2025. As you can see, it's of recent they tweeted it and it's already pinned so that whenever you go to their handle, you will see the information. Please have it in your mind. Have it in your mind. Okay, let us read what they are saying here. We all need 3 hours to process a settlement data, and during this time, the AZEN HUB app will be temporarily offline. Once done, the app comes back online, and your Azen Airdrop will be ready at TG. New users listing up, joining between a snapshot and TGE. Your earning resets when the new app drops. So re-register after launching to jump into Azen movement. No worries. Existing users stay unaffected. Big thanks for riding with us, France. We are just getting started. Imagine the listing already closed. You guys be active and prepare yourself for this particular airdrop. And for my own research, is something that is going to give much money in airdrop, more than the other ones we have been engaging. Like Pulse did not pay much, and Depin did not pay much. But I hope that this one will come and wipe away the mindset that we have already in the cryptocurrency. Thanks so much for watching. If you find this video helpful, do well to give it thumbs up and subscribe for it for the next video. Bye.